Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down and go to accessibility, and then go to interaction and dexterity. And here you will find the assistant menu. You can simply enable it and disable by tapping on the slider on the right side, and if you enable it you need to allow assistant menu to have full control of your phone. So if you press allow, then over here you should be able to find the assistant menu, which you can also drag and drop anywhere. You can move it around. If you tap on it, then you will open the menu. And in addition to that, you can also tap on the assistant menu option in the settings in order to find more options allowing you to customize the assistant menu, such as the menu size, the transparency. You can enable as the edge icon, so then you have it on the edge of the screen and you need to drag it out like so, or just move it around over here. You can just tap it as well, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!